Hello everybody. I am now going to show you something unusual. It's a new way of using cotton, super glue, and a little piece of plastic film. What we're going to do here is repair a denture. And this is not actually a denture, it's a bridge I made a few months ago. And it started to get a little out of shape, and I made a new one, and I have this left over. And we're going to pretend it's a denture with a big missing chunk. And we're going to fill that missing area in. Okay, so all we do is take a little pinch of cotton. We're going to put that embedded into the plastic film. And then we're just going to add enough super glue to saturate it. And it's very important to get the right amount of super glue. Too much and it's not going to harden, and too little it's going to be just cotton. It's not going to be anything resembling a tooth. So anyhow, we hope we got the right amount of super glue in here. We're just going to push it into the hole, compress it. And I should mention that we don't want to use too much cotton at a time, because there's a chemical reaction that occurs and it gets kind of hot. So if you use too much cotton at one time, you're going to have a hot fingertip. So there it is, it's in position. And now I'm going to add just a little more super glue, just to make sure I have enough. And compress it again with the plastic film. Okay, now we're going to let that set. We'll take another piece of cotton. Put that into the film. Put the super glue on there. And push that into the defect in the denture. And just work it around, get it into the right approximate shape. I'll remove the plastic and see what we got here. It looks like about the right amount of glue on there. Alright, let's take the plastic off again. And we get ready for our third blob of cotton and finish the job. Here's the third cotton. Okay. Super glue on the cotton. And we're going to jam it into that same place. Form it as we're putting it in place. And obviously, this really takes some skill and it takes experience. So it's not recommended for everybody. And you better be very, very patient and have time to experiment and learn how to do this, because it's going to take a good while to get it right.
I love playing Chopin. He's been my favorite composer since I was really young. I've been playing it since I was, I believe.
But anybody who does, let's say, jewelry or any fine art or craft basically has the potential to learn this little technique. And when you get it filled in adequately, you have to leave the plastic on long enough so it starts to harden. And then when you finally take it off, you have to use a little Dremel and a grinding tool and polish and shape it into the final proper configuration. There. So I won't say as simple as that, because it ain't that simple. But it can be done. I've been doing it for 20 years now.